السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أكيد مباراتنا الجاية مباراة دوري مهمة ضد نادي قطر، نتمنى التوفيق فيها، نطلع فيها بالشكل المطلوب نفس المباراة السابقة، ونطمح إن شاء الله لمراكز مقدمة إن شاء الله في بطولة الدوري.
The game against Qatar Club will be tough game, like inshallah, but we have to know that we have to continue in the same way because we are in a very good moment, especially the last game for us was one step forward for the result, for the performance of the players, and we want to continue in the same way. We want to continue working hard in order to get the 3 points. We respect Qatar Club because they are a strong team, and for sure they will fight for the 3 points, and will be not easy because they play at home. They are in a good moment because they won the last day in a very tough game against Al-Sadd, and for sure they want to fight against us, but we have to know that we have to continue with our idea. We have to continue playing like that, like we are doing until now. And this is our goal, our target. Our target is to continue playing like that, because if we continue playing like we are doing until now, for sure we will have opportunities to take a 3 points.